Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Today, energies is more of bliss and happiness, but emotionally you feel down. Maybe emotionally there's been some fights or misunderstandings with your loved ones that you're feeling so low and down today. So today, have a bath with little milk in your water. And today, if you have rose quartz, carry rose quartz with you. If you don't have rose quartz, if you have clear quartz, then you can even carry clear quartz with you. I feel today you should work more on the color pink because a lot of unwanted energies need to break from you and it has to convert into positive energies. So pink will be the color today, and if possible, if you can go to some temple in the morning and donate some money over there for either some sort of charity for food over there for the people who come to the temple, or for anything that they feel, but some charity in the temple today will bring in the stability in terms of finances and emotions that you are expecting. So let's see what is in store of cards today. The first card is coming as the Knight of Wands. Work wise, I feel growth is there. In fact, maybe the way you're emotionally down, you will focus more on your work and you will focus more on stabilizing your work or diverting and becoming successful in work. But overall, as I said, some emotional downs are there because you will try to be strong. You will try to, let go of whatever has happened, and you will say, no, I'm a strong person and I can handle everything. Though you're diverting all your energies on work today, not to remember or not to recollect what is happening, still, heart of hearts, you're feeling a little low, but you're showing to the world that you're strong. Maybe at times, whatever we face emotionally are karmic and it is for the good. It teaches us some lessons which we should learn for our betterment, and it also teaches us beautiful things in life where we know that this is what has to be done, and we know what is the next stage of life. So don't give up on it. Be strong the way you are showing the world, because if you decide, then no one can do anything and you will start moving forward in life. So I'm sure the day will be good in your work related work, and emotionally also you will make yourself strong and become very, very strong. Have a beautiful and a very, very blessed day ahead. Blessed be.